This is a recipe I created. Try it and you will love it too. You will need 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 cup paneer or cottage cheese cut into medium squares, 1 cup sliced green onions, 2 medium onions sliced, 1 cup coconut milk, turmeric, roasted curry powder, pepper, salt, crushed garlic, oil. Heat about 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. When heated, slightly fry the paneer. When done, leave it aside. Now use a different pan. Add a little oil and saute the onions. Till they are slightly browned. Add garlic and mix and lower the heat. Now add pepper, curry powder, turmeric and the mushroom. Mix well and cook for about 5 minutes. After it's cooked, add salt and mix the paneer. Add coconut milk and mix well. And cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now add the green onions and mix. Your mushroom paneer dish is ready. Serve with white rice or roti. Enjoy!